Tooth Fairy, I need your help.
With what?
I haven't met my quota. Give me some of your teeth.
No, do you know how much debt I'm in?
No.
Well, I owe a lot. Go get your own. Okay, I'll help you. Have you ever thought of having the others help you?
I told some kids they would become a Tooth Fairy if they brought me 15 teeth each. That didn't do much.
I mean, help from the other side. She's in there.